It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday evening, the 11th of November. I'm James Spann. A cold front comes through early tomorrow with a band of showers. We turn cold this weekend and next week looking wet and stormy and unsettled. So let's dive in. We'll start with the water vapor satellite view across the nation. As expected, that big trough that's been over the western states is lifting out. A very deep surface low is moving up into Iowa from the southwest. The pressure down to 992 millibars. And a fairly impressive array of showers and storms associated with that. Some of those are severe and some of those storms are rotating. We have a whole bunch of tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings for that line through parts of Iowa and Missouri this afternoon. But around here, the weather is just delightful. Temperatures are in the 60s. Anniston reaching 71. Birmingham at 67. Tuscaloosa a bit cooler with 63. They've had low clouds for a pretty good chunk of the day. Back in that active weather zone, there's a tornado watch for parts of Iowa and Missouri until 6 o'clock this evening. And there's the watch warning map around the nation. A whole lot of wind advisories across the Great Plains because of that tight pressure gradient. The counties in purple down into Oklahoma, those are red flag warnings for wildfire danger. There's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have an enhanced risk in that tornado watch area, parts of Iowa, Missouri, and Illinois. A slight risk over to Chicago. Another slight risk down to the south, including Shreveport. A marginal risk touching the northwestern corner of the state. But again, we stress no severe weather expected here. And tomorrow, no organized severe weather expected anywhere in the nation. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. Valid through Monday evening of next week. Not much at all. A lot of Alabama not getting enough rain to measure. The showers that come in here after midnight tonight will be very light. But look at the 7-day numbers. 4.3 inches over eastern Arkansas. Looks like over 2 inches for a pretty good chunk of west and central Alabama. This is valid through Wednesday evening of next week. So next week promises to be active. And let's not forget Kate. This thing is a Category 1 hurricane, but clearly this is becoming post-tropical. That does not look like a classic hurricane. It's getting up in the North Atlantic, becoming cold core. Top wind 75 miles an hour. That will be moving out into the open waters of the North Atlantic. All right, model fans, here we go. The 12Z GFS. This is valid tomorrow at noon. The trough rotating up into the Great Lakes. Here's the high-resolution HER model, 1 a.m. Just after midnight tonight, the band of weakening showers pushing into northwest Alabama. 4 a.m., that band of showers coming through Birmingham. So most of you will sleep through this. The rain should be very light. I don't expect any thunder. And then this is midday tomorrow. The sky becomes mostly sunny. And we'll expect a high in the upper 60s tomorrow. Should be a fairly nice day. Friday, we start to turn colder. The sky will be brilliantly sunny, cobalt blue sky. The high in the low 60s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 62. Saturday, the morning will be cold. The GFS is printing a low of 33 for Birmingham early Saturday morning. Clearly, the colder spots will see a freeze. Most everybody will see a frost. The day will be bright and sunny with a high in the upper 50s in most spots. Perfect day for football. And Sunday looks good. Again, we start the day down around freezing with a pretty good chance of widespread frost. The high Sunday around 60. The sky will be bright and sunny. Monday of next week, new storm gathering across the plains, more snow for Colorado and Wyoming and Montana. The Gulf opens up and down the Mississippi River Valley where showers and storms develop, but we think Monday will stay dry. And then Tuesday, a surface low is near Shreveport and Texarkana with rain moving into Alabama. So rain and storms will be increasing on Tuesday. Heaviest rain could be a little west of the state. And this is Wednesday, a week from today. Look at the very dynamic trough rotating through here. Surface low is near Little Rock, 999 millibars with showers and storms over a pretty good chunk of the state, although a dry slot starts to rotate in from the southwest. We'll check the instability at midday Wednesday, and there just isn't any. Again, that's going to be a limiting factor for severe weather. Tremendous dynamics, no thermodynamics. We see that a lot in the cool season, but certainly heavy rain and flooding could be a concern. This is the end of the forecast, Saturday, November 21st. The pattern relaxes a little bit, and down below that, we are in a cool, dry air mass. Temperatures for the next 15 days. You can see that weekend cool down with highs dropping in the 50s. Next week, highs mostly in the 60s, lows around 50, not too far from seasonal averages for the middle part of November. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.